What if I told you a homeowner in Addison sold their house for $310,000 and just weeks later, someone else turned around and resold it for over 6 figures more? And no, they didn't gut the house. No new bathrooms, no addition, no luxury chef's kitchen, just paint, flooring, appliances, and it sold in the middle of winter. Stay with me because the final number is probably going to really surprise you. Okay, so let's break this down. This property was located in Addison, a suburb just outside of Chicago. It was a single family home. Nothing unusual about it. It was built in 1962, brick and vinyl, tri-level, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, just under 1,500 square feet. Nice size lot with a side drive, 2-car garage. Solid house, solid area. Not a tear down, not distressed. The original owner purchased it in 2006 for $325,000. Fast forward to October 3rd, 2025, they sold it to one of those we buy as is for cash companies for $310,000. Let that sink in. They sold it for $15,000 less than they paid for it nearly 20 years ago. So no appreciation at all? Now here is where it gets interesting. On November 13th, 2025, just over a month later, the investor listed the home with the realtor for $444,900. And what did they do? Based on the interior photos and the MLS remarks, they refinished existing hardwood floors, added some vinyl flooring, installed carpet in some areas, fresh paint, and new appliances. The bathrooms still look original. No major structural renovation, no high-end remodel, just some cosmetic updates. Now, here's something else I want to address. This was listed mid-November. It went under contract December 8th. And people still tell me no one buys homes in the winter. I'll wait until spring. The holidays are dead. This home went under contract in 26 days. In November, closed during the holiday season. Serious buyers buy year-round. In fact, winter buyers are often the most motivated. Okay, so let's do the math so far. Seller receives $310,000. Investor does light cosmetic work. Investor lists for $444,900, and it's under contract in 26 days. The question is, what did it actually sell for? Was the list price too high? Did it sit? Did buyers push back because bathrooms weren't updated? Or did it sell strong? Okay, are you ready? It sold for $420,000. Now let's compare. The cash sale price was $310,000. The resale price $420,000. That's $110,000 difference. Now, yes, investors have costs, closing costs, realtor commission, holding costs, repairs, utilities, taxes. But this was not a full gut renovation. This was flooring, paint, appliances. So here's the real question. Did the original seller truly need a cash sale, or did they believe they had no other option? Because if this home could sell for $420,000 in winter with original bathrooms, what might it have sold for if it was properly marketed the first time? That's the conversation sellers need to have. Now, I'm not anti-investor. Cash sales serve a purpose, but convenience comes with the price tag always. And sometimes that price tag is six figures. So if you're thinking about selling, especially in Addison or the northwest suburbs, at least run the numbers first. Know your equity, know your options, because once you sign that cash contract, there's no rewind button. If you found this helpful, subscribe. I break down real local properties like this so homeowners can make informed decisions. And if you're curious what your home could really sell for in today's market, reach out. I'll show you the data, no pressure, just clarity.